The title of our project is Auto-Target Moving Object with Spybot. Our project lies under Internet of Things, that is IoT domain. The tension at Indian borders has always been a hot topic in India. Even in these tough COVID times, talking about the recent activities, Indian Air Force noticed twin drones equipped with explosives in Kashmir. Such hazardous events results in injuries or death of our Indian soldiers, which is definitely a great loss to the country. So we, the youth of this nation, have come up with a project which has a full potential to replace a human soldier at borders and can also identify the enemy and shoot him if commanded.
The first part is the Atmos bot. As you can see in this video, we are controlling this our complete bot using an app. This app we have made using an MIT App Inventor.
So here comes the face recognition part. So here, as we can see, whenever any person whose data was input to the bot, that face was recognized by the system. So here all the faces which the bot could actually recognize was already fed to the system earlier. And now, as we can see, all those data whose faces was recognized by the system, those information was given to the user controlling the bot in real time. So here is the name as well as the start time, that is the time at which it appeared in front of the bot. Here comes the motion detection part. Here, as we can see, that all the parts of my body which was in motion was recognized by the system. So as you might have noticed that I had appeared 2 times in front of the bot. The bot could actually recognize my motion and give the output in real time. So here, as we can see, that as I had appeared twice, the start and the end time of mine was recorded. The start denotes the incoming time, whereas the end denotes the outgoing time of mine.
Okay, so the main motive of our project is to reduce the risk of life of soldiers at border side. And as this is a high profile task to do, we have tested our bot at rough terrains and it has proven to give justice to our efforts. Talking about the future scope, whenever the concept of tracking and navigating comes, GPS is inevitable. So we are planning to have a GPS tracker on our bot. The next thing is about power consumption. So we have a vague idea of using a solar panel installed on our military bot, which will help the bot consume and use the energy more efficiently. Thank you.